Good Friday afternoon, family. This is Nettie with Simply Me Journey. Well, I am going to start the process of growing my sweet potato slips. Um, I wanted to do glass. I didn't want to do the plastic. Trying to stay away from plastic products. So I went and bought me 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 16-ounce paint jars. I'll be putting this in my storage when I finish with them. So, family, when I was in Houston, I found myself purple sweet potatoes. Yay! Yay! Purple sweet potatoes. Yes, these are about the most richest tasting sweet potatoes I've ever experienced. Let me knock the skin off it and show you how pretty it is. Let's see. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I made some sweet potato pies with these a few years back. And you talking about delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. So I bought 3 of the purple sweet potatoes. And I bought 4 of the regular sweet potatoes. So I'm going to use these here. These are supposed to be organic. All this is supposed to be organic potatoes. So I'm going to do these 2 for the regular sweet potatoes and 3 purple sweet potatoes. And so I'm not going to give up on learning how to grow sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes is one of my favorite foods. So, yeah. Oh, I didn't know it was a 2-piece jar thing. Crap. I wanted the 1-piece jar thing. Let's see. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect. All of them should fit. Oh, okay. So, and I got my straws. Here we go. I mean my toothpicks. Take the toothpicks out. Take my toothpicks out here. My potatoes. Let y'all see. Okay, I know I'm but the most professional videography, whatever you want to call me. I don't know. All right, here we go. I think the pointed end is supposed to be in. I don't know, but I'm going to put my toothpicks in here. And that's kind of keeping it where it won't. Let me see. Now I'm going to go down some more. And look how purple this is. Look at that. Yeah. I'll go in there some more. And that way, the more it's in there, the less I worry about the jar tipping over. Can I go down some more with that? Yeah. Let's go down some more. Pretty deep purple. I waste this. I don't have to do that. So I'm going to put in my calendar today date. That's my sweet potato snips. It's a lot of water, huh, y'all? Let me see. Let me put another toothpick in here because he's just leaning and he don't want to be still. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. It's look funny looking little things, you know. All right. There we go. Number 2. Toothpicks in here. Let's see. Bring this up just a little bit. Pierce it with the toothpick. Oh, this one broke. So this is going to start my seeding. This is going to start me seeding or growing slits. Yeah. And you know you have to when you go into sweet potato splits and things, what you want to keep your water clean, and like you want to keep your water clean here as well as once your slits start forming and getting big, you take them out and put them in the water. I'll be using the same jar, and you put them in water, and you want to keep the water clean when you actually begin the process of your slits growing. You want to keep your water clean. I mean, when I tried this years ago, and I was staying in an apartment in Houston. When I tried this years ago, I had like buckets. I had maybe 9 or 12 buckets or something like that. And I had the purple sweet potatoes, the regular sweet potatoes, and they was beautiful. The slits was just gorgeous. And I did plant them in buckets, but what happened, because I was moving out of my place, and because I'm moving out of my place, I had to, I brought my sweet potatoes home and put them in my brother's backyard. And I told him, just water them once or twice a week, or at least twice a week. And he did water them, but his horse, what's that horse's name? I forgot that horse's name. But anyway, his daughter's horse, the horse ate up ate the plants up. The plants are beautiful, green leaves, and come one day checking them out, and they said, what's that horse's name? He's coming on the tip of my tongue, can't think of. Lady, the horse got hold to your potatoes. She ate the plants, the leaves. That's no big deal, I didn't swell up over that. My regular potatoes, the purple sweet potatoes and your regular sweet potatoes, you're going to do them the same way to grow slits. So today is January the what? January 19th. I'm going to put this down in my little book so I will know when I start my slits. January the 19th. Sweet potato slits starting. Put this here and here. I have a planner, and this is going to help me. Okay, there's January 19th. Sweet potato slits. I'm just saying sweet potatoes. No, I'm just on sweet potatoes in the water, because that's not the slits yet. If the grass grows in Genevieve, it grows the worst for all the year. Little saying right here. So the date is January 19th. So starting my sweet potatoes. It's in water. Purple and regular. Alrighty. So just stay here. I don't have to worry about dating the jar. And I'm trying to make myself really stay up on putting my notes in my thing there. Trying to stay up on that. So I'm gonna take the rest of these jars and gonna put them in my storage. Let me see. Yeah. Just kind of like make sure they're in the water. 3 of them usually balance it off pretty good in the jar. So that's why I'm doing the 3. That's it. That's how I'm doing each one of them. Like I say, I kind of wanted to do the jar thing. Some people does the plastic, but I just don't want to keep on putting toxin in my food if I don't have to. There's where not allowing toxins to get in, then we're not going to allow it. And I think glass is better. So that's why I'm going with the glass. So today is January 19th. This day I am starting my sweet potatoes, rooting, slitting, whatever you want to call it. And I have 5. I have 3 purples and 2 regular potatoes. So I would let you all see the progress of this as the time passes. And I know I'm going to be canning food eventually. I'm going to be doing it. I had bought a fermentation kit, but it never did reach me. It went to some other place. So they gave me my money back for that. And tomorrow is the day that I'm going to do my beef meat pies. So here we go, family. We got 5 jars. And I'm going to put those in the windowsill here. I'm going to put them in the windowsill. They need to be able to get sunlight. So we're going to put them in the windowsill because they're going to be out of my way. You know, kind of, this is going to be a problem because every day I'm going to have to take them out the way. Maybe every day. Probably every day. And have to remove them so I can let the window up and down. Maybe some of them, not all of them, just some of them. So all of my sweet potatoes are going here in the window to start the slitting process. Yes, to start the slitting process. You put them in the water, enough for them to start, doing whatever they do best. Y'all, isn't this darling? I got this from Fredericksburg, Texas. When I went to Fredericksburg to visit for the first time, I love it. Nice little quaint place. Really, really nice. So my onion water needs to be changed. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, it needs to change. Oh, this one. This is soft. Yeah, I do change my water. But they do better in the ground than in here. This one's kind of soggy side. I'm going to have to put these in the ground. But look at the roots on these babies here. They have to go in the ground. Look. Look how nice the roots are. Yeah, look at them. They have to go in the ground. I'm going to put these babies in the ground. Look at them. Yeah. And this part feeling a little soggy. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, I know a spot that I'm going to put them in. So maybe by tomorrow, I'll get them and put them in the ground. They can do what they need to do. And I have been cutting off these here pretty often to cook. Yeah, I've been eating these for sure. But they have to go in the ground. I don't feel like messing with that today. I'm getting ready to cook my girls some pecan candy. One of my little nieces, she's been patiently waiting for her pecan candy. So I figured today, because I want to put them in the mail in the morning, so she can hopefully get them by Monday or Tuesday. But I'm going to take care of my niece and make her some pecan candy. I'll just put these in the back one here. Let's come. Do I have a place in the bathroom I can put them? No. I'll just put these in my back one to get them out the way. And y'all, let me tell you something. Those little vases I just showed you all, I bought those little vases to go in my van. Yeah, I bought those to go in my van. I sure did. That's what I bought them for, to go in my van. I think little man should be getting off the bus soon. Let me check the time. Today's just been a long day. Yeah, he should be here in maybe about 20 minutes. It's supposed to be 25 minutes. 25 minutes, but we dropping him off. He gonna come in for some peanut butter jelly sandwiches, so Amy keep him peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Ain't that it? Mm-hmm. Can I get my peanut butter jelly sandwiches? Mm-hmm. You know, okay, family, so just wanted to show you all the beginning process of my sweet potatoes growing process. So first thing is put them in water for sweet potatoes. Put them in water, let them start rooting and taking the slits as the slits grow. You take the slits off the potatoes and put them in water and let them get longer and longer roots. And that way roots at least 4+ inches long, then you can start planting them in the ground. And I have not decided how I'm going to do my sweet potatoes this year. I don't know if I'm going to do a raised bed on them. Because, you know, I had them in that black bin out there. But that bin I'm using as a compost bin right now. So I'm letting all kind of stuff, putting all kind of veggies or eggshells or whatever, fish, put that in that bin right there and let that stuff decompose. I don't know how long I'm supposed to know that it's ready, but anyway. Okay, fam, this next Simple Me journey. Just wanted to show you all the beginning process of sweet potato planting. Okay, so I got 3 purple sweet potatoes there, and I have 2 regular sweet potatoes. I am going to have sweet potatoes come out my garden this year, and they're going to be fabulous. I'm going to be able to share them with my family or sell them. I don't know. We'll see. All right, family. This is Ned's Simple Journey. If you like my contents, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And I want to thank you all. I appreciate each and every one of you all watching my video. I really appreciate it. You know, I just started this channel out just to do something, and I kind of like it. Sharing what I'm doing out here, not only just sharing, but other people are learning from it. And families, I will have a video coming out soon about the purchase of my land, and then a video is going to come out the following week about the what my cabin cost. Okay, the cabin cost of how much it actually costs to buy the cabin itself, not all the other stuff. The other stuff I'm going to try to start gathering information where I will know pretty much how much money I actually spent on this. I got thousands, I got hundreds of receipts. I ain't gonna say thousands, but I got hundreds of receipts. So putting it together is gonna be the challenge. All right, family, this is Ned's Simple Journey. It's about your journey. Y'all be blessed. All right, enjoy 2024, family. Bye-bye.